This number system is basically based on place value chart. So let us see, students, what is this place value chart? A place value chart shows the ones, tens, thousands, etc. Means this is a type of chart in which it shows the places of a digit, whether that digit at ones or at tens or at thousand. In a number, okay, in a number, the digit is at what position, at what place, this place value chart shows it. It is divided into a number of periods. Very important, this place value chart is divided into number of periods. The ones period has 3 places. In all the periods, the period which is known as ones period has 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. So ones period have 3 places with it: ones, tens and hundreds. Then all other periods have 2 places. It means the other places than one's period having only two places. Now you can see this is the place value chart given here, and how it is divided into different periods we can see. So let us see one by one. We will start from right. So one's period, first it is given one's period, and this one's period is divided into 3 subparts: ones, tens and hundreds. You can see this one's period is divided into 3 parts: ones, tens and hundreds. Then you can see the next period is thousands period. After one's period, the next period is thousands period, and this thousand period is divided into only 2 parts: 1000 and 10,000. So 1000 period having 2 parts, or we can say 2 places: 1000 place and 10,000 place. Now the next period is lakhs period. In lakhs period also we can say there is only 2 places: lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. So this period also having only 2 places. After lakhs period there is crores period. In crores period also having crores and 10 crores, only 2 places: crores and 10 crores. So this is the place value chart which is divided into periods. We can see the periods: ones period, then thousands period, then lakhs period, and then crore periods. And here all the periods having two places, only ones period having 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So hope students you have understood this place value chart. Now we can say this period help us to read the large numbers. Okay, now here example is given: the number 453218987 is given. So how you will write or read this large number? Now this is the large number we have. In this example we will see the period of all the digits or places of all the digits. We will start from right. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So we can see this large number is given till crores. So according to the place value chart, the first period, which is known as ones period, is divided into 3 parts, that is ones, tens and hundred. Then the next part is divided into 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore, 10 crore. Now this is the blocks of the place value chart in which we have divided the periods. Now we will put the values. At ones 7 is given, at tens 8 is given, At 109 is given, so it was ones period. Okay, then at 1001 is given, 10,002 is given, then at lakh 3 is given, 10 lakh 5 is given, and at crore 4 is given, and 10 crore is not here, so we will not write anything here. So we can see we have written all the digits according to the period of this place value chart in the blocks. So how we will write it? This number we have in ones period 3 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit we will put comma. Then 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, comma. Then lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore period. So we will write this large digit number like this way by putting commas according to the periods of the digits in which period they are belonging. So we will write this large number by putting comma like this way, or we can write by putting space in between the periods, like after crore period we will put little bit space, then lakh period we will put the space, 1000 period we will put the space and write the digits. So these are the two way of writing numbers. One is putting comma, and other is by putting the space in between the periods of digit. So students, this was your place value chart, and I have explained about this and how to write large digit number in this, and how I have explained about how this place value chart help us to read the large number. For example, we can read this number very easily, this large number very easily, like 4 at crore. So we will read at 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. So you have understood how this period help us to read the numbers, and we have seen this example how to write the number name of this number. It is also given here, 4 crore 53 lakh 21,987. So students, on the basis of this we will start the exercise work, that is exercise 3rd A in my next video. Till now you do just practice about this place value chart, how the periods are arranged and how the digits are put in different periods in their places.